I'm Dr. Aishah from Dr. Aishah Solution based in Malaysia. I'm a medical doctor by profession and I manufacture healthy products that I exported to many countries. The one that I have are the granolas that has no sugar, no salt added. Granolas, and I also have like the bar series. I won several international awards. I received the Gold Award in Dubai 2015, and then I received awards in Paris, also in Abu Dhabi and Shanghai. I keep on coming to Dubai for Gulf food about 7 times. So far, I'm very happy. My products are in many countries, especially in Japan, in China, in Hong Kong, in Asia, and also in Saudi Arabia, Dubai for the schools, and also in Oman, and in Europe as well. So my products are healthy version, food on the go, very healthy for now the problem of obesity, the problem of diabetics, and also hypertension. So the breakfast cereals and the bar is very helpful to these people. And I'm happy to be here at Madrid, Mihas, Dubai. And I'm thankful to the Malaysian government and assisting us. So thank you for giving me the chance to talk on our latest product is the one that has dates from Medina, and we have the 7 dates in a bar, and we have also dates for men and women, which is very good for them, for their health. Thank you.